Hey guys, this is Najat from USTHAD. So today we are going to learn about interfacing an LCD display with Arduino. We are going to use an Arduino Nano and a 16 by 2 LCD module. Let's talk a little bit about the pins of the LCD module. The first pin is VSS, which is the ground. The second pin VDD is the positive 5 volt input. The third pin is V0, which is used for adjusting the contrast of the display. If it is connected to ground means full contrast, and if it is connected to 5 volt then the display will run in low contrast. Practically connected to 5 volt means we cannot see anything in the display. Or we can connect a potentiometer to this pin to adjust the contrast. The fourth pin is RS or register selector that controls where in the LCD's memory we are writing data to. The fifth pin is RW, which is used to select between reading and writing mode. When the pin is low means writing mode and high means reading mode. The pin 6 is enable pin that reads the information when high level is received. The instructions are run when the signal changes from high level to low level. Pin D0 to D7 are data pins, which is used to read or write data to the LCD. Pin 15 is the anode of the backlight of the LCD and pin 16 is the ground of the backlight LED. Now let's see how to connect this LCD with an Arduino board. First connect the ground of Arduino to the VSS, V0, RW and K of LCD. Then connect the 5 volt of Arduino to the VDD of the LCD. Then connect the digital pin 12 of Arduino to the RS of LCD. Then connect the digital pin 11 of Arduino to the enable pin of the LCD. Then connect the digital pin 5 of Arduino to the data pin 4 of the LCD. Then connect the digital pin 4 of Arduino to the data pin 5 of the LCD. Then connect the digital pin 3 of Arduino to the data pin 6 of the LCD. Then connect the digital pin 2 of Arduino to the data pin 7 of the LCD. Then finally connect the 3.3 volt of Arduino to the A of the LCD, which is the anode of the backlight LED. Actually, we can choose any digital pin of the Arduino to connect to the LCD, but when writing the program also, we need to change the code according to the pin we have chosen. Okay, now let's connect the LCD to the Arduino. Here I am using LCD1602A, which is a 16 character 2 line LCD module which can display 16 characters in each line. Now let's solder some header pins to the LCD. For making the soldering neat and easy, first connect the header pins to a breadboard like this and then place the LCD on top of it and start soldering. Okay, now we have finished connected everything as explained before. Now let's power it up and upload the program. So this is the code. You can get it from my website. The link will be in the description, or you can use an example program from the Liquid Crystal library which came with Arduino IDE by default. Now choose the board and port and upload the code. Uploading has completed and the LCD is displaying the text as we have given it in the code. The same program and wiring will work in all of the Arduino boards. Here I have tested with few other boards: Arduino Uno, Arduino Leonardo and Arduino Mega. Okay guys, so if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.